Where was Jesus standing as the people were pushing their way towards him? On the shore of the lake. Why were they trying to get near to Jesus? They wanted to listen to what he had to say. What had the fishermen left on the beach? Two boats. Whose boat did Jesus climb into? Simon's. What did Jesus ask Simon to do? To row a little way from the shore. What did Jesus do then? He sat in the boat and spoke to the crowd. When Jesus had finished speaking, he told Simon to row the boat into the deep water to catch some fish. What happened? They caught such a large number of fish that the nets were about to break. What nearly happened to the boats because there were so many fish? They were about to sink, so they had to row back to shore as fast as possible. What did Simon say when he fell to his knees, having realized what had happened? Only God or someone full of God's power could do something like that. Jesus told Simon that he had lots of work to do and needed some help. What would Simon be catching from now on? People, not fish. Simon and his friends were amazed at the huge number of fish that they'd caught. What did they do next? They pulled their boats up onto the beach, left everything behind, and followed Jesus.